Yeah, you left me searching, I've been looking for a way to go. Pay so many bitches at this point, it's everything I know. Moving in the moment, I'm responding like it's episode. Body after body got me feeling like I'm double O.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy 300 Zay, and I'm actually hella excited right now. I'm about to get a tune, right? I'm about to tune the V6 300. Feel me? Oh, looking at 300 right there. Calm little pool. Nice, calm little pool. But I'm about to tune it. I'm just driving it around, you know what I'm saying? Before I tune it, getting all the little gas out. Rest of the gas. Like, I'm about to ship my PCM, do my injectors, all that. And yeah, just a little drive before I actually tune the motherfucker. Feel me? But now, as y'all know, Underground Tune makes tunes for V6 300s. And I looked up what it looked like, what a tune sound like, right? With my exhaust setup. Not my exact exhaust setup, but pretty much most of them niggas straight pipe this shit. I don't have a straight pipe. I have vibrant resonators in the mids, and then it's straight from that. The resonators add like a little deep tone to it, so I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but yeah, that's what I got done to it. Right now I'm just doing a little pre-drive, getting like the sounds from it before I actually tune it. Torque, stop, like
a motherfucking down.
That's just not stock, obviously. I have like coil packs, performance coil packs. I got intake, but none of that shit matters because I don't have a tune. And I don't think, like, nigga, you saying V6s sound like trumpets. I don't think mine sound like a trumpet. Like, I mean, yeah, a drone, but it don't got that distinctive. Like, it don't sound like a VQ. Like on camera, it does. But in real life, it don't. For me, so like. But yeah, I'm getting a pre-drive now. Feel me? They're running over there. I don't know what the fuck he doing. Anyway. It's on my way home. Feel me? I gotta ship my PCM to Underground Tuning. I'm gonna record me doing a PCM, but I'm also doing my injectors and throttle body. So probably add that into the video as well, so it's not like a 2-second clip. Alright, so now I'm at my crib. First of all, you want to unplug the battery, but I'm about to just show y'all where the PCM actually is, if you didn't know for some reason. The Underground Tuner also got a video about it, but you basically just want to take these tabs out right here, and then bend this cowl part up, and then it'll be right under here, back here. So what you're gonna need is a plastic trim tool, a 1/4, you could use a 3/8 too, 1/4 inch ratchet. Then you're gonna need a size 10mm socket and a 13mm socket. So what you're gonna want to do is you want to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Don't mind these wires if they start like this. You want to disconnect the negative terminal off the battery like so, and tuck that to the side. Once you have that off, we'll head over to the front. And you want to take these out. These are going to be holding in this little piece right here. You just want to get is at. I'm gonna get it, y'all. But you're gonna want to take this one out, this one, and that one, and then you could just probably just bend it backwards. Yeah. So what I ended up doing was taking out probably like 5 of these, and this is gonna be your PCM right here, next to your fucking cabin air filter. You're gonna want to take this off with the 13. Right now, once you have this bracket part off, you're gonna want to take these nuts off the PCM bracket and PCM itself. And so once you take the bracket off and the nuts, you want to thread them back on so you don't lose them. Do not lose them. So then, this is your PCM right here. For this bracket, you just unfold it from this top one right here, and there's another one below it, the same way. So it's a lot harder than I thought. Once y'all get the PCM out, it's gonna be like this. Cords, they can just stay there. Set the PCM aside. Close this down. You don't have to close it all the way, but close enough to where you won't fuck it up if you close your hood. That. Grab this, wrap it up, pack it up in a box, and send it out to Underground Tune. Alright, y'all, so I'm back from the post office. I just dropped off my PCM. Next, we're gonna get into tackling this gloss black diffuser. And I'm gonna have this out in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yes, sir. Now, also, we have these LED reflectors for the back. Now these I have to wire up to my taillights, but I have a module coming that'll help me do that. Right now I'm just getting it fit in there, ran in there. Then once I get the actual module, I'll record me wiring. This is what the wires are. It doesn't really correspond with the actual module that helps me wire this, but it's alright. So yeah, today we're gonna be putting that on 300 while we wait for our PCM back from Underground Tuning. That'll be in the clips after this, after I'm done putting everything on. Also have another video coming where I'm getting new wheels, y'all. I'm getting gloss black 5 spokes. They are reps. They are replicas, right? But getting those along with a 4 set of 75, 40 R20s. So yeah, I'm gonna be pumping out straight heat for y'all boys, like for real. Like I'm really trying my best, you know, this YouTube shit.
Stop the cap.
Yeah, I will be wrapping my car a purple color. Comment down below if you can guess the purple color. But yeah, I am wrapping it purple with gloss black accessories. So that's how I'm getting all these gloss black accessories. But yeah, and I also have 2 more mods that I'm not telling y'all. I would, but I'm not telling y'all. Because once them bitches go, it's gonna be fire. But yeah, I'm gonna get back at y'all when I get back to putting this on. Alright, once you have this bar out, you're gonna wanna unscrew these reflectors here, and then you're gonna push all the tabs of the diffuser out right here. All these tabs, you're gonna push the diffuser out like that. I went ahead and turned it around so it's easier for me to get to, but I unscrewed the ones on that side. Now it's time for this side and get these clips out. I didn't put one there, but one here, and one here. Alright, so I went and disconnected all the clips and all the slots. Just pulled it off. It was already coming off. I got this diffuser off Amazon. It's honestly not that good. That's why I got this one from eBay. And it looks pretty horrible, to be honest. But I am getting 5-inch tips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this right here, probably to like right here. That way it doesn't hinder my tips at all. Do that on both sides, And then after I do that, I'm gonna get back to y'all. God damn, the sun beat me, y'all. But anyway, I got the sides cut out. I ain't gonna lie. I used the old ass kitchen knife. That shit worked. Oh god, what the fuck? Anyway, yeah. So once you have those cut out, if you have 5-inch tips, you're gonna want to simply put the diffuser on. For this process, I'm gonna turn it over. And yeah, give me 1 second. All right, y'all. So after some fucking tussling and trying to fucking fit this shit on, I finally got it on. Next, we're gonna put these in. When you put them in, feed them through this hole right here. That's how you get them to wire up. Then, sorry y'all, my neighbor up there was talking to me. But once you have these in, you're just gonna run the wires up and get them out of the way. And then you're gonna tighten up the reflectors on both sides, and then button down this diffuser. Put that rail back on, and you're all done. So, yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm not gonna lie, that shit pissed me off. So I already haven't did it. After I get the wiring, I'll probably post, because I really don't plan on driving it as soon as I get the tune, or putting the tune on as soon as I get it, because I do need to, what's it called, get all the gas out. So it's gonna be a few days before I actually put the tune. But I am wrapping it, and this is one of the reasons why. This right here is all scuffed up from the first diffuser I did. But anyway, this is the new diffuser, gloss black. These are the old tips. I got 5-inch tips. Fill out that gap. That's why I cut it, because the first time I didn't do that. But these I'm tinting darker. The side markers, I got LED ones, so when I wrap it, I can match it. And yeah, so when I look, I'll tell you, this car, I'm finna go somewhere with this car. So all you watching right now, comment down below what engine I should get, because I just want a 5.7, honestly. I don't even want a V8, or no V8. I don't even want like a 6.2. I don't want a 6.4. I don't want no Hellcat. I just want 5.7. Just need V8. But let me know what I should do. Comment down below and stay tuned, because right after this, I'm gonna have another tune. Bruh. Or I'm gonna have a tune. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned.
The next day,
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We finna do some side quests real quick. Doing some calm little side quests. Little pulls. Some slight pulls and shit. I ain't been in shit though. That's what I'm not doing. I'm not been in the V6. No diff. No LSD. I just be chilling for real. But this tune about to make me pop off, nigga. I'm telling you, boy. Hey, if you live in Washington, like Federal Way, Kent area, and you know where I'm at, bro, comment down below. Comment down below, bro. What the fuck? I just had to get some pre-tuned shit for y'all. And then I'm gonna actually meet y'all at the gas station now, cause yeah, I'm fuck with y'all. Chat, I did not do the tune right, but listen to this shit, cuz. What the fuck? God damn, man. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, so I just fixed it actually like better. And I'm about to rev this bitch. You're going to jail. Alright, y'all know this. I'm gonna get my brother reaction.
Hi, how are you?
Look at that nigga. Oh my god. This nigga is crazy. Oh my god. Sound like fucking fireworks is going on. Oh my goodness. That's that motherfucker right there. That's that motherfucker right there, man.